call me a god. They call me a god.
YouTube, check this out. This is gonna be a real quick video. All I'm doing on this video is changing out my bar ends, these little joints, for some bar end lever guards. Real quick video, nothing too crazy. I just don't want you guys to see the bike, and I got all these parts on the bike and you don't know when I installed them or how I installed them or what's the process. So if you want to do this to your bike, check out this video. I saw this on the package, had to read it. Warning, this bag is not a toy. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep out of reach of babies and children. Really? But this is what we're installing today. Made in China. This is the lever guards. One part is plastic, the other part is aluminum. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of where I got this from, of this video. So just check it out if you wanna get a pair of this. It comes with the Allen keys that you need to lock the aluminum to the plastic. And then there's also another Allen key inside of the package, which is that one there, and that is to lock the nut here on the end onto the bike. But the nut I'm going to use is this black one because I like the way it looks. And then I'm going to take this off the bike and put this in its place. But let me get this size and this off, and then we'll go ahead and install this guy on the bike. Stay tuned. The Allen key for the bar end nut is a T40. So let's go ahead and knock this guy. Make sure this place is in there. Yep, it's nice and snug. Now that I know it's nice and snug, let's go ahead and take this guy off. Ooh, you need two hands. All right, now that we got the bar end off with all that beautiful Loctite, I like this black to blend in. One thing I noticed about the Ninja bikes, they all have this nut at the end of the bar end. I don't know if you guys noticed, but you know you can take this off. Once you take this off, it's gonna bring this closer to the bike. But the reason why this is here is to keep the anti-vibrator on the end, and it gives it space. This little bushing in here gives it space so it doesn't lock the throttle tube in place. So let's open up the package. What comes in it is these wide ones, and then these also, oh, they're all wide. Okay, perfect. I guess they send you back up just in case you go down, which is fine. All right, cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this part here. See if I can do it with one hand. In the way I can. I'm gonna take that off, and take that off. Making progress. So I got this part on. I had to use this one. I had to leave a little bit of space there because it was throttle locking. I did have to take off these nuts. If you don't take these off, it's just impossible and you're gonna have that gap. So just knock these off, everything slides right in place. So let me go ahead and finish this install. I kind of messed up some parts, thinking I was gonna be able to make something, but I just should have just followed what the instructions gave me and did it like that, but I didn't. Damn, that is really, really close. I didn't think it was, I thought it was gonna be too close to where I was gonna hit the brake lever, but it's actually perfect. Yeah, I think that's a good look on the bike. So just whatever you do to one side, you do on the other side. I've already taken off this end part, so I'm just gonna install the other lever and then call this a video. All right guys, so this is the end part of installing these bar end lever guards on the ZX10R. I wanna thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.
I said, I tell them you gotta separate. I'm talking about the real from the fake.